Now we gotta check the wind. Need to check the wind and see which way it is so we can figure out where we're gonna set up. So I got some milkweed. Usually the pigs come from behind us that way. I set up last time, we set up in the bushes right over in there as the wind was drifting back that way. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this here milkweed and we'll throw it out. Watch it, see what it does. Actually, this is cattail fuzz, Florida Boys milkweed. You can see that? Probably not. So we're getting predominant winds. Well, the wind right now, draft is going towards the north. So the wind's coming from south. So we're probably gonna, so there's the feeder. All right, the feeder's facing, let's see, north, east. So now we're gonna go sit north towards the road. Hopefully our scent will get blowed right and we'll have a hog come in underneath this light and we'll get one. Alright, well, I'm gonna drop off all my stuff, then I'm gonna go park the truck and walk back.